Assalamualaikum. Raha Malaysia ge mulinga episode ka ek yaksamane kasbi baddal kol tibe furuna wara tafatu hisab ek. Maru Malaysia faturu werin as ulera adi divehin as ek bar kantaw kiyewu masha sikhat mi sikhi farwa shahriya kam ka as uler wara nan hisaben aksam hoda la ham tibe furuna dakka dam beeno wegen nolan. Sam miharu mihore weni kampung baru kya hisab ek. Kampung baru eki Malaysia ge sagafi mi mission ke denna vegas ko hennuwan mi hisab gande ki KL Kuala Lumpur ge hama city center warak gaatu ge nei hisab amitan alonda tower to se pene be flona fenna manzara to men safa kol leven eha city develop we ponna hisab ka eha carry ga mi gotam mi onna hisab ki kine vegen wa kame baes mi ashaste ka nodiya noega iftitah kure pawa hisab gande Malaysia ki alon kurin stenne hen wara bahawar nasdu taken ule gaon ekon ku Dhivehi me onnani aamukon ngi mele gota detta Malaysia mi on ade veni mele dani ekon ku mele kiwes mikolo gonna ama nasle Indian Malaysians adi Chinese Malaysians ki mikolo ga wara warugada bina efawa tin nasle e timba evvegen miwani Malaysia alon miharo asa mi huri mele nasluge sagafata emihunge diriyuluma adi emihunge ehunna values achi demehettu mattaka kura masekkate mehar mehudi hada puri getage kiwesama emihunge emme kurige farma kura gota mi imarak ko phonna imarat taka getaka achi hama dakkalu mattaka emihun bahatta puri tantange alode even ekon bodam miwawate ki mitantanugo mi uleni wesama mitantana labbehi befawa bay mi tourist area no ekon tourist unna wes aassa mitan badale ve kahala hisabu gane mege mes me dakka deni Malaysia un ahamiyat kame dekama e tin saga fe tin nasluge tin saga fe ves kuriyarwa damahatta aada kurmatta kayes Malaysia ge emme bodu sagafati ki kewma kekkuma tadatta hemwege miharu kampung baruwan alonda as mihuri hisab kiwes miwagoto eha awan adawani ma ko huluwa fusuri hisabeno mi ama menduru kewma ka vesno ha viru sayasha adi regandu kewma emme bodan activate wa hisab gande ekoma ko komme hena ves mi hisab gandu emme mashhur eddimal kanne ade me meoti hama mele kewme mi hisab ga tayyar ko bodu buffet mi mama engata ei algondu menge gotun dannawana ma hota usulum hinga kaatan tame mihar asem hori mama ko alom me olani pudo hon kaada fa den adi kuriyan oi bodu kewma deuma tayyar wela Before faha kolle nalon hama as me buffet fenu puri ha check hal godu kammi komme chikes nang ahamu eko mika kana kanne mera sho bas kuda komme singume ki hum arabudu paada panne kana then alon miwara kaada gen wes kuriyan adi bote damara has restaurant mikol gama bara heritage asari kiyoma sagafa dakkal de restaurant keme misa malu kuderu kolka baki velani abha mita choose kolla isa magolam nega mitan design ko fogotos mitan ga mi serve kura hori ha kewma ka balala swara boda amyat kame ebde heritage enge to am sida original mele kewma sha adi dakka de gota hori ha kama ka beseme narti feni dabani mi kologa buffet tayyar ko phone ga mitana ki passat ek mi honge capacity ge restaurant දෙම්මකස් මේ බුෆේ ටේබල් පාස් කොල්ලා මේ මිහිස්සාබන් අර කමුලින් එහෙන් ලොකේෂන් එක එහෙන් උරේ වෙහෙන් ඊවන මුල එහෙන් රෙස්ටෝරන්ට් එක ආද වෙහෙන් ඊවන මේ රූම් ගේ තරේ සලෝන ඊවන සතේ කවරක මේ වන්න සීටින් හදාපගෙන ඒක මේ වාගොත කි මෙන්දුරු ගඩේක මේ කොළ ගහම තයාර කොෆෝන බුෆේ කි 500 තිම්වරක රින්ගිට 53 රින්ගිට net මීහකන් අරවර බුෆේ එම්මම සන්නාන තමයි තඹදාල මිහිස්සාබන් ආදෝන් මේ ආදෝන නේ රෙස්ටෝරන්ට් ගම වකි තංකොලක මිතම සීවන මුලෙන් ආ රෙස්ටෝරන්ට් එක ආදෝන සතේ කවරක මේ වන්න සීටින් ජහාපේ එන්ත වාණි full original Malay keoma ona war ginanga ba fene mitonuga sign board taka achir jahapuri tam pasa malam Malaysia vadano befla vejja engila vade ei ekkala night market ge vibe kashe edani den ona kariga mimu spuna ko mioti mitan aslu me komme Ramadan mahaka bes tafatu theme ka da kama eme miyaharu ge theme ka vege midani pasa malam ge te Alona pakulle ekkama alona des mi Malaysia ge yaha ginado olunas mikala manzaren abadu kunu pene ekama ko chef vidalwani mi hama ammu kame ke mitan abadu is kahada gotaka onnana wara boda pack we feve tibe punus mitan ikhtiyar kurwa fiya gadiya ballana kana hama wadannama omme hukuru doku menduru kewama yatim kudinna mikologa wara hasa kewama tayyar kura kama hama hile kudin assa mitana kama me menduru kewon kaadu egota mikan kurata meharu 21 warakan aharu vecche ege to hebe chef me alonu ka denne evha kami hama egotan ulunu baaru kudin miharu es nambura as mi ane mitana kaadan eba aade then we manzuru fenigenna baaru aila ta frone salona besara ara hingama je home dibe kama me ege to ara family friendly restaurant mitana ke Malaysia ge mibagoti ke ha baaru naslu mihu migamu ge bole e war gina divehena ole echmi mele ki ko ba ka mele ke sanenno mele ki bai mele ki naste eme Malaysia ga Malaya Indian Chinese olero mele ke ome ki mikolo ge emme rasmi ekkion ega to heme alonda recommend ko follow ratte me sadi baaru me recommend ko poti restaurant rebunga anna ega to eme haru sign se ba fenila mitane ki Honda kya ding gotoga ekavis aru puring ulu restaurant enga e restaurant memion gama eggotek ge part time mita khana mita etere fenigen dar alonda chef avis baddo wegen dan ingato mitage
My name, my real name is Ismail bin Ahmad. I'm from a state called Negeri Sembilan and the district called Rembau, which is not far from Kuala Lumpur on the south. It's about maybe 1 hour journey. And basically, I grown up in the village, and I've seen colors, flavors, aroma, food during festival, daily cooking, and culture, social. That's attracted me to go into the food industries. Finished my studies in the village. I go to our local uni, and then from there I go on until I finish, and then I came out in the TV program 1996 until today. I always do business. While working, I'm doing business. I'm considering myself as a hardworking and experimental student into this gastronomy. I look into people liking, people flavor, people interested into what they eat. I bring them together. I put them on tables. I cook them in the pot, I fry them, I boil, steam. Today, people from all over the world love it and like it, Malaysian food. Okay, this is one of our special, signature sweet from Restaurant Rebung, which we call it onde, or sometimes they call it, in my state, they call it buah kelepong, and it made from a glutinous flour. This is glutinous flour, it's not rice flour, okay? And then we use palm sugar. This is palm sugar, the sugar that comes from the palm tree sap. Yeah, we cook it into caramelize it and become it into like a block of sugar. And this is the white color one, is grated coconut. We only use the white flesh. Yeah, and of course this is the green juice from pandan leaf. Pandan leaf is we call screw pine leaf. Yeah, it gives you the color and also the aroma. Okay, it's very simple ingredient. About Malaysia, everything is so special. From the living style, eating style, communication, interacting each other's, association, society. It's always that food will bring us together. And the best thing about Malaysian, you will never go hungry because some of our shops or food outlet open 24 hours. So, and the money value is reasonable, you know. So everywhere you go, and mostly the food here is Muslim friendly. Basically, we have food here like Chinese, Indian, Malay, you know, and ethnic group. Okay, they are all here. The trade was when they come trading before, they bring their ingredients and everything, and it became Malaysian food. So this flour, we make it into a soft dough. Okay, just make it into a soft dough. So this is natural coloring from the leaf that we call pandan. Okay, if you are here, you can smell it already. Pandan leaf aroma is so nice, and this very rich in color. So, and this is also one of the sweet that you can get easily in Malaysia, everywhere during Ramadan. Of course, you have to boil the water because this is going to be like, it's a dumpling, okay? The dough is soft and sticky. Okay, you put the sugar here and you roll it. Yeah, just a small ball like this. Then make sure the water is really boiling or simmering. Can I put it inside, yeah? That's all. Okay, this is grated coconut, and we put a little bit of pinch of salt, and sometimes you steam it to last the sweet. Okay. Roll it on. This is already done earlier, so this is the freshly done by me. So how nice is it? See. Don't forget to prepare onde-onde or buah Melaka. This is one of the traditional heritage. It's one of the Malaysian most loved and favorite sweet. Most other outlets in Malaysia, even the mamak stall, the coffee shop, the street, it's full of people because you have to break fast at the same time. Booking the place, you know, bringing friends, corporate people, and families. In Malaysian style, the month of Ramadan is where the month, like in your country, Maldives, is a month of giving. You know, sharing, giving, and one of the afdal thing is during breakfasting. The month of giving, the month of blessings. So everybody take opportunity to bring family together, friends, officers, and the best thing in Malaysia, you can see multiracial people breakfasting together. Very special. Our second menu or recipe, especially for Maldives people, this is one of our also favorite rice. It's a salad rice, and we call it Nasi ulam. Nasi is rice in our language. Ulam is raw vegetable. Nothing is cooked here except for the rice and the fish. This is petai. Pad Thai is very popular in Malaysia. It's a jungle beans, and it's quite pungent, and it also smells very, very strong. And this is our long bean. I use also long bean. My staff already make it the design, but it is a bean, yeah? And this is lemongrass. Lemongrass, we slice it very thinly. It smells like a lemon. And we use into many cooking, yeah? And we eat a lot of chili also. We have fresh red chili, and this is small chili, bird eye chili. This is spicier than this one, yeah? Then we use onion, we use lime, we use cabbage. We call it bunga kantan. It's a starch flowers. It's very nice smell. These are all the vegetables from here. We already sliced them thinly, okay, as a salad. This is grated coconut. Grated coconut that we have fried with a little bit of shrimp paste and some seasoning. And this is black pepper powder. We have salt, sugar, and lime juice. And this is dried shrimp powder. This is very special. We call it budu. Budu is anchovies extract. I'm making onde-onde, this sticky dough dumpling coated with coconut grated and palm sugar. Categorize it as a dessert, but people eat it any time of the day. And I'm making salad rice. We call Nasi ulam, where we combine rice and other ingredients with fresh herbs. And all these two are very special during Ramadan. This is also one of the very popular dish or rice during Ramadan. So easy, just remember it's cold rice, not warm or not boiling or not hot, yeah? So everything you put it inside, it's so easy. So fish, dried shrimp, not too much because dried shrimp is quite salty. So this is the coconut sambal, grated coconut. I like to put more of this. Black pepper, also nice to put all, not all, little bit more. Budu, also nice. This is the extract or preserved anchovies. Sambal belacan is made from fresh chili. Belacan is dried shrimp. All nice too. And this is lime juice. I like to make it sour a little bit. And be careful with the salt. You know why? Because the budu and the dried shrimp are already salted. I was Malaysian food ambassadors for Tourism Malaysia. I've been traveling all over the world, and I also have good relationship with embassies. I represent countries a lot, Malaysian embassies, Malaysian agencies, Tourism Malaysia, and sometimes I give them cooking classes to the spouse of ambassadors. So they have program with me. So that's how I connect them, and I do relationship with diplomatic gastronomy. So you mix this well, and the smell is already there. It's so good. And now we add in all the vegetable, the cabbage, the jungle beans, the onion, long bean. This is the torch garden flowers, bunga kantan, lemongrass, and this is the leaf of ulam, pegaga, ulam raja, whatever leaf that is we use for ulam, we mix it in. So this is our nasi ulam. It's one of the favorite signature dish of restaurant Rebong. I never been to Maldives. I'm waiting for you to invite me. I heard so much about it, and then to me, maybe Maldives is 99% touristic economy, and why people go there, I don't know, because I never been, and I've seen the pictures, I've seen the water as this island, and I know the country around it, you know. So I suppose there is some similarity in Malaysia also in what you have in Maldives, especially ingredient where you use a lot of coconut cream.
Perfume fahakollen waran adus madu වෙච්ච මෙහාර මේ රෙස්ටෝරන්ට් එක අක්සම මඩු කොල්ලේ නිකන් ලන්ච් රෂ් ආවම නිමිගෙන් ක්ලියර් අවුට් වෙලාගෙන් දෙංගන රෂ් ආවගේ කුරින් හැම කියවම තයාර කොල්ලම ඒක තමයි මෙහා ෂෙෆ් වෙස් දෙන්නකෝ තොරිහා ඩිෂ් එක වෙස් තයාර කොකම අක්සම මේ මඩු කොල්ලාගෙන්
This is one of our drinks. It's very popular. Watermelon juice. The menu that we do today. Nasi ulam and onde.
Okay, this is the sweet one and this is the savory one, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Please enjoy.
Thank you. मैं अक्सर मम्मी होती वारा रस्मी गोता कमी थी तैयार उसको दी फहम वगैं एक कम मिताशी तो उसको लूँगे कुरिंगा फार पिक्चर हाबादा मैं नासी उलाम ए मान कुरा गोता किए समा नासी ए बाय देंग उलाम एक यानी रोला वेजिटेबल साइड से तरकारी आला फोने में नासी उलाम निकोल गवार गिना मीहो नवार मीरो स्वाइच एक ही हिसाब तो ये तफात गोता कमी तैयार कुरने से मैं अक्सर मैं यार कुरता में ट्राई करें යන්න කුලිකමා යන්න හුයික්කමාදී වර අන ලුයි කෙවුමෙන් හිම්ව සම හිවේකම මිතට්ට බදාලස් බයිත්තා මෙයොත්ත තරුකාරයාලා මින් තයාර කොල්ලා ෆන හුරිහා රාතක එබ්බෙන් දාර වර තෆාතු රහයකේ වස්පුණ නිකල්මි අලෝනමෙන් දිවෙහි මිසාලක සැලඩෙන් චෙක්කාදාර වයි සස්ත කනවන කුඩපොස් මිවානි කොහොම හම ගිනහෙන් කාහිබ්වා කහද රහයකම දනයා වර දිවෙහි වෙගෙන්දේ මෙයන්ලා පුරි මිරුහා උරාච් කායද ඔන්ඩේ මේ මෑගඩු කමකේ සුරිහාච් තයාර කො මේ වණි හම් වර බොඩ මේ යම කුරුබාගේ එකි බෑබෑ බේන කොගෙන එකි දැන් පණ්ඩන් ලීෆ් නුන් හදා පුරි එක්ස්ට්‍රැක්ට් කොම් මේ ඔන්නනේ මේ ෆෙහිකුල වෙස් හිප පොනි රහවෙස් මි හුන්නනේ කහම හුන්නන් ජේ වරෂේ බුනේමස් ගෝහෙන්වාන් දැන් මීග මේ අනේ කාෂි බේරුන් කො පුරි ගොතුම්මස් මිසාක බෑ චොක්ලට් තෝගස් කාෂි අලා පුරිමස් බෑ බේ ප්‍රෝනා ඉද කමුණු දානේ කොම්මි අලෝ යගේනොස් දානනේ කාෂි අලාගේ හුන්න චි කාහි බබා එක වෙච්ච අපි අරම් මේරුවා අනිකස් වර පුරිහම එපිසෝඩ් එක නෙමෙයි මම ආදෝනේ මියදු මි try කරේ මුලින් වෙස් මෙලේ කියෝ අලෝ අනිකස් තකරාර කොන් දන්නවා මෙලේකි නස්ලේ මෙලේකි බය මෙලේකි ගවමෙන්නෝ ඒ මලේසියා දත්තු ගවමකි මි කියොම් මි මෙලේ කියොමකේ එකෝ මි ගවමක ලිබේනේ කැක් ගණ්ඩක සවුත් ඊස්ට් ඒෂියාගේ ලිබෙන් හුරු පුරිහා වත්තරගේ කියොම් එකම හුරිහාච්චගේ තෙරෙමස් මි ඩේට් නුකුරේවේ හා මුස්කුලි කියොමකම ෂෙෆ් සිදාල එහෙම අලෝන වරන් උපාය මේ try කොල්ලන chance තිබුණා දෙංගන් එපිසෝඩ් එක සනකස් තිබේ ෆොනා බද්දල් කොල්ලාගේ උම්මේදුක අවමි සාමි වාක්‍යවල අක්සම් අනිකස් තිබේ ෆොනා මේ බද්දල් කොල්ලේ හා මලේසියා රහ මලේසියා